G'day guys, how you going? All right, today Brendo came in and Danish goes to hand as well, also Benny. So Brendan, spent most of the morning just cutting all the brickwork and the doorways in and stuff, anything else he could chop out. And then he started knocking out all the tiles on the floor and everything like that. And then I spent a fair bit of time putting these shower mixers in the wall. They were really hard to put in, to get right, because there's nothing to fix it in. Like over in the eastern states, they've got, you just put a wooden noggin in and you set it to the right and you screw it into position, you make sure it's all level. But when it's bricks, like when you're cutting the brick, it has to be like 50 to 60 mil deep, and that's sort of past the halfway bit of the brick. So you can't really screw it onto anything. So it's all sort of floating, and you got to try and get it right. Especially I've got two mixers that were right next to each other. They should be level, so they're about 5 mil out. So, but I just couldn't move it anymore because it would just throw something else out. So, anyway, I'll give you the run through, show you how we went today, and got it all. So, anyway, I'll show you outside here first. This is the manifold system. So I'll explain that later on once it's all installed. But I found this on the Reese app. It's exactly what I need. So that's going to sit in the wall there, and that's going to be the hot manifold that we'll set up and install. And so I've got a couple lines here. I've got one line hot coming from the shower, and the other hot coming from the shower, and then the other showers will come off these ones here. So, but I'll do another video of that anyway later on. I'll just take you through now to see what's going on inside. Okay, so very dusty today. So luckily the aircon was sort of blowing it all out. Anyway, so that wall's completely gone now on the back of the cupboard. So that black mold infested it was all cut out. So we trimmed this one down today, cut out the doorway. So forced all that down, smashed it all out. So that's all good. So now, and also we took that cupboard out again, because in the end I think that's where the bed's going to go or something like that. So I'm going to put a door in there, and then maybe a little desk off to the side. So yeah, fully dusty and messy today. Now we just I had to mark the floor out for tomorrow, so we want to cut that out tomorrow, extend that floor waste gully out there for the shower to grate, and then the basin waste is going to go into that one. Okay, and same deal over here. We're just going to extend that one because we've got the main shower drain over here. So the whole room hopefully is going to grade over to that. So we're just going to extend that, put a wide junction on, and then bring up a 40 mil right against the wall, and then also across here. Now the vanity we got, it's got these washing baskets inside, so we haven't got much room at the back, but we've stuck all that in. And so I go, the next thing I got to work out is these. This is where the basin's cupboards, because I haven't got the basin cupboard here. I've got to go through the shop drawings and just to work out exactly where the centers are, because we're putting those taps coming out of the wall. I have to get them dead center, make sure they're the right height, both of them at the right height and everything. So sort all that out, and I hope it gets level and all that sort of thing. So that's another job. So tomorrow morning we'll just cut this floor out, get all the waste sorted out, and then I continue on. Maybe I might just leave that for a bit, wait till they get the floor all fixed up, because it's going to be a bit, we don't know what the floor's like. It might be just 50 mil concrete, I don't know. Like we found there's a massive hole here, because it was at the Barker with that bath. There's no floor here at all. It's just all, you can see it's all sand, right? It's all sand. So we've got to replace all this floor here. So I don't know how much is stuffed on it, but anyway, we'll get it sorted. So, and this is basically where that wall's going to go. I've just sort of set it up. Brendo's will be a lot straighter than mine. So anyway, and then I think on Friday, once we've cut the floor and got all that, then he'll start bricking up this one here and bricking up along here, getting it all sorted. So anyway, on the way. And yeah, they're not fun renovations. They're not fun at all for anybody, except when you're finished, I suppose. All right guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later.